If you're having a problem where WhatsApp is not ringing when you get a call from unknown numbers, then watch this video until the end, because I'm going to show you a solution for this issue. The first thing is to open WhatsApp on your iPhone or your Android phone and then hop over to the settings page by tapping on the little gear icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once we open the settings page, locate and tap on the privacy option, because this is the page where our option is located. Open the calls section and turn off the silence unknown callers option. If this is not working, go back to the main settings page and check out if you have your notifications enabled. So make sure all of these switches are green and then ask someone to call you from an unknown number. The third fix for this problem is to check the background app refresh setting. I can do that by exiting WhatsApp, open the settings page, and then hop over to our general section. You'll then scroll a bit down and find this background app refresh option. This is going to give us a list of apps which we have installed on our iPhone, and I'm going to scroll down and make sure that WhatsApp is enabled or turned on. What this does is it allows WhatsApp to stay active in the background, even when you're not using the app. Without this option turned on, WhatsApp can't check for new calls or messages unless you have the app open on your screen. That means if someone tries to call you, especially from an unknown number, the call may never ring through. Those are the solutions which I have for you.